Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm happy to show you a 2017 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This boat is optioned in a black hull with a black and chocolate power top, ivory and chocolate interior, and gray infinity woven carpet. This boat is powered by a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower Mercruiser engine, has a large swim platform with sea decking, made even larger by an extension that pulls out from below the transom. And you see a large aft-facing lounger to enjoy the sun. As we come in, you see ample seating. These are really comfortable, very well appointed finishings on this SLX. And as you see, the Helm has a dynamic electronic in-dash display, an upgraded stereo system. It has Bluetooth connectivity. There's also a spacious head compartment, complete with vacuum flush head and freshwater sink. Additional seating at the bow, along with a stainless steel anchor and windlass, and below seat storage, complete this great boat that provides comfort and luxury as you have fun with your friends and family. If you'd like to learn more, discuss options and pricing, or take this boat out on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.